Alright guys, so we're back and I have just received this Pentel pocket brush pen in the mail, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a little test work on this. I did a quick one straight from my phone, a live feed, but this one's gonna be edited, so yeah, let's jump right into it. This is gonna be my first time really doing a detailed work on this. I did a not so detailed study, but just kind of practiced it for just about 2 or 3 minutes before jumping into this. And I'm trying to like figure out how to use this and get the different line weights and such like that, but it's kind of, you're almost intimidated by not screwing this thing up, that my hand is kind of shaking and I don't like it, but yeah, we'll work through it. It is what it is. I'm trying to do, you know, different line variations as far as going from thick to thin, stuff like that. I'm trying to use the darker, thicker lines for the shadowed areas. Really thin lines for places that are more on the highlights. It's so easy to accidentally like dump a whole bunch of ink on these things, you know, so I'm trying to be as careful as possible, which makes me go really slow. It's not like the Faber-Castell fine liners. I could just fly through those things. But I'm excited, man. I got a lot of stuff done today. I ended up going to my new school, unpacking the house of all my materials I'm bringing to the school, and just getting really close to starting. We start in 3 weeks. 3 weeks to the date that I'm recording this video. By the time I ended up throwing this video up, it might be a week or two, it might be a couple days, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm excited to start school though, with this whole quarantine thing happening. With being home and doing this YouTube stuff, I've been getting a lot better at the things that I would do in the school. Getting better at the things that I would like to get better at if I was a student and if I was taking an art class. I'd want to do more stuff like this rather than a traditional, you know, art class, learning how to do things that aren't really the most enjoyable when you're a kid and you're just trying to have fun, trying to learn while having fun, you know? So man, my hand is so shaky because I'm trying to go so light, and the second you go a little too heavy, you dump on ink. I definitely have already noticed going as slow as I am and just working through as much as I've worked through already with this Pentel pocket brush pen. I'm better at doing strokes in certain directions. Going up, I like the way that I'm able to kind of get a thicker line, and then going down I'm able to get a finer line because I guess I'm coming up like this. I don't know what it is yet, still have to play around with it, but I'm liking this so far. I am noticing, man, it is taking a long time. But that comes with practice, and practice comes with perseverance, and I am going to take this challenge on. See, I don't mind that big thick line there. It's just like the little details. The thick lines are the ones that I'm also drawing really small, so that doesn't help. If I was drawing on a big piece of paper, a big illustration, you know, it might be, you know, a different story. But right now, super fine detail. Yeah, see, that direction sucks. It's the same direction I did this. I'm super choppy, but coming down from left to right, super smooth. Really do have to take my time. I'm trying to speed up a little bit to see how well I'm doing. Again, this is just kind of a practice for me. It's kind of making it a video so I can kind of have fun with it, enjoy it, and show you guys if you guys ever want to decide to get one of these pens, kind of give you guys a rundown instead of looking at the people that are already good at it. You know, kind of like a walkthrough from the people that haven't tried this yet. But yeah, this is it's difficult for sure. It's fun. I'm loving this. I'm loving the way, especially that arm. I think that arm came out great. And then the nose, nostril, snout area, and these ears, I think came out great. This side of the head, this fur. Honestly, the head, pretty much everywhere. I don't really care for the eyes. The eye actually came out pretty good here. The eyebrow, not so much. Such a fine tip. Like, you guys can't really see it on this screen, but the tip is extremely, it's like 1 or 2 hairs. Like, that was maybe a couple hairs that, you know, made that line. It is extremely thin, and it just dumps ink, which is nice and everything to finish quick, but that's once you get the hang of it. You know, one thing I learned off of that, the Kesh show, which is Kesh is the artist that kind of got me hooked on this pen, man. His artwork is incredible. Kesh. You want to check him out on YouTube as well. He's a heck of a lot better than I am with this pen. He also has a completely different style than I do. I don't know if I necessarily have a style yet when it comes to cartooning. I definitely do when it comes to my landscape art, but it's been such a long time since I've done anything like that. There you have it. So I am done inking. I really enjoyed that. That was fun. I'm gonna go ahead and, just because I want to, I'm gonna go ahead and color this. So I'll catch you guys in a second. I'm gonna jump up on these Ohuhu markers. Throw this to the side. I've been kind of all over the place with my studio lately, but I've been popping out more videos just on the fly using my phone and the app. They're not edited videos, so they're not great videos quality wise, but I've been getting a lot more work out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some research and do some color studies, and then I'll jump right back into showing you guys exactly what we're doing. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get started on this color study on this guy. Group, my gosh, hear me, Rocket. Alright guys, well there you go. Just finished the drawing of Rocket from Guardians of the Galaxy, man. This Chibi style, I'm enjoying. I really love this Pentel pocket brush pen. This thing does wonders. I'm really enjoying that. I'm looking forward to practicing using it because I like the line weight on certain parts of this. Obviously I got to get more of a hang of it, but I think some of this stuff came out really well. I can get like these extremely fine lines, like the detail on these bags here and in the belt, you know, but I also can get some pretty thick lines like on the top and bottom of this arm, the sides of the head, the top of the head, this arm here, the belt line here, and the legs. So yeah, I'm really liking the line variation of you know, what comes with this pen. Obviously more practice is gonna do more justice for the artwork itself, but man, I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.